Class component is a JavaScript class. Like functional components, it takes proofs as optional parameter but must return JSX. In JavaScript, classes are a blueprint for creating objects. They encapsulate data with code to work on the data. Let's see how we can create a class component. Open Visual Studio Code. Let's create a file named grid.js. In JavaScript, a class can be defined in two ways, a class expression or a class declaration. At very first, I would like to know you how we can define this grid class by class expression. For class expression, a variable need to be declared. Here, I am declaring a variable grid. Then you have to assign a class expression to that variable. Class keyword should be inside the expression, like this way. This is the grid class I defined by class expression. I can add a field name and also put a method like display. This display method will return. So this grid class is encapsulating a field name with the code display. As I said, class is a blueprint for creating object. Let's create an object of this class. Here var grid equal new grid. This is the object of this class. We can call display method using that object. Like this way, like using dot operator. For class declaration, it will start with class keyword followed by a name, and a class body is surrounded by curly braces. Let's convert this definition to class declaration. So it should start with a keyword class, and the name of the class is grid, and the body is surrounded by a curly braces. In this series, we will follow definition of class declaration to create classes. Let's remove this code. Let's convert this grid class into grid component. You first need to import React inside this file. Since I am going to create class component, so I need to import component class also. Here it is. To convert this class into component, I should extend component class. Extends component class. And this class must have a render method. Let's define the render method. And this render method must return a JSX. So now this becomes a grid component, but this component no longer connected with that app. So to make it available, I need to export this grid component from this file. for default. And I need to import that component inside this file. Here and now I can use this component inside this HTML like HTML tag. And this is the content of our newly created class component.